Guys, hello, how are you? I am on overnight one of my last trip before I go on vacation, and I have a week before we actually go to Scotland. I have a week off, and then I have about 4 or 5 days after we get back, so I have essentially almost a month off. Which I feel very luxurious about. But I'm excited because I feel like I've worked a lot in March and I've earned it. And so I had to finish off my March work blocks by getting a 4 a.m. phone call from crew scheduling to work a 6 a.m. 3-day trip. And it's 4 legs a day, and they are boom, boom, boom. There's barely any breaks in between. It is like, knock it out. So, as I'm tired, y'all. And it's very rainy, and I door dashed a place called Volcano. I'm going to show you what I got because I'm very excited about it. And this is what it looks like out my window. If you've never been to Burbank and seen the hills, the Burbank Hills. And also, if you have been wondering where they store all the Chevy Volts, that are, I guess they're for sale. I don't know. They're all gray and white. So I'm wondering if it's like government cars or something. I don't know. I can't figure it out. But they have like for sale stickers in the windows. So I don't know. Or not for sale stickers, but you know, when you go to the car dealership and there's a thing in the window that tells you all about the car. Anyway, and they all look brand new. But really interesting stuff. I know. This is what you come here for. High quality content. Where are the Chevy Volts parked in Burbank? All right, well, I'm gonna get changed, and my food should be coming, and we'll look and see what it is. All right, guys, my food is here. So this is from a place called Volcano. I know there are a few other locations, but I think, as far as I know, they're all in LA. So let's look. All right, here we go. So this one's not that exciting. That's a spicy tuna roll. This is the one. Look at that. That is called monkey brain. It's deep fried avocado with crab and I forget what the other thing is. Crab and lobster, maybe? I don't remember. Anyway, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Yum, yum. I'm gonna go eat now. in Harlingen, Texas. I don't know why that's so hard for me to say, but it is. So I just walked over to the H-E-B grocery store. I should have videoed, but I didn't because my phone's about to die. So I just wanted to get a little bit in before I before I get back to the hotel. So while I'm outside. So you can see there's some palm trees. South Padre Island is about an hour drive from here, and I'm pretty sure that's why people mostly fly in here. I mean, obviously there's people that live here. I don't know what the industry is here. It seems a little downtrodden. A lot of these buildings are empty, so it's kind of weird. But anyway, I got some pasta and salmon to have for dinner and some snacks, and then we're gonna do a little dessert taste test, you know, because there's nothing really to do here that's entertaining, so I'm going to entertain myself. And I got some things to try, and you'll try them with me. I'll try them so you don't have to, or you can if you want. I don't know, I don't care, whatever you want to do, it's your choice, it's your life. So anyway, I'm going back to the hotel and I will check in. All right, hello, here we are. I need to go to bed, so I'm gonna do this really quick. I ate my salmon and it was so good. So if you have a H-E-B grocery store near you, and in the little pre-made dinner section, it was a lemon Parmesan sauce with noodles and salmon. It was so good, seriously, like amazing. Anyway, okay, so here's dessert taste test, and we're going to do Kit Kat flavors, and they're called Kit Kat Duos, and I know they've been out a while, so I'm on the late freight, whatever. But this one is strawberry and dark chocolate, and this one is mint and dark chocolate. I'm gonna predict that I really like this one, and this one is like but I don't know, we'll see. So let's open them up, shall we? You can see they're unopened, so I'm not cheating. I did not make any pre-assumed, I don't know, whatever words. All right, so I think I'm gonna try the strawberry one first. Opening. All right, here it is. This is what it looks like. It is crisp wafers in strawberry flavored cream and dark chocolate. So here we go. That's not bad, actually. It doesn't smell strawberry. Clearly I hate it. I'm like inhaling it. That's pretty good. All right. Cleanse the palate. Okay, opening up the mint. Ooh, very minty. That strawberry one did not smell very strawberry. No, it smells like chocolate. This smells like mint for sure. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. You know what it tastes like? Andy's mint. With a little crunch to it, which I'm not mad about. But, plot twist, if I'm honest, I like the other one better. I mean, I like mint flavor. I just feel like it takes over things. It's like a little too much. So, the results are in. I like the strawberry one better, because the strawberry is just a hint and the chocolate is the winner. This, you gotta like mint. Gotta be sold on the mint. So, you're welcome. Hey guys, hello everyone. Scarf is off. I am ready to drive home, and I am off for 25 days. Do you feel bad for me? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I earned my days off though. This month was hard work, and my glasses are fogging up because it's hot in here. Um, and this trip was a beast. It was 4 legs every day with like a whisper of a break in between. Like, hello, you might be able to find time to go pee. But hey, we survived, had a really great crew, and here I am. I just wanted to check in, debrief a little, tell you like what's up. I am going to be posting more, considering I have this week off before we go on our trip, and then I'll have another few days off when we get back. So I'm going to try to, you know, gut out 2 or 3 videos to have on hand ready to upload. Try to get back into the swing of things. I'm trying, you guys. I really am, I promise. I do enjoy it. It's just sometimes like I just feel so insecure and I get in my head and I'm a perfectionist a little bit about it, and then I just go, what the hell? Just post it. So anyway, I am so grateful for all of you who have stuck with me through all this time, and I'm creeping up on 2,000 subscribers, which is super cool. Getting you know, just minutes away from that, which is, you know, never been a huge goal. I refuse to buy followers. I get emails all the time to help me get subscribers. All I have to do is pay a fee and I'll get like 10,000 subscribers, but I'm not going to do it that way. You know, people that want to watch me will watch me, right? So anyway, I love all of you who are still here, and I love all of the new ones who have just come in, and I am so grateful for our little community, and I hope to bring you more flight attendant travel adventures. I'm going to take you to Scotland with me, and that should be super cool. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll get it posted, and see you on the internet. Bye. Have a great day.